Hey guys, once again, this is Ken Main from Sandy Hook Yachts in Naples, and I am on the fabulous Swiss Army knife of boats, the 288 Sea Fox Traveler. This is an incredible boat, perfect for the family that wants to just cruise around, go to the beach. And if you're into fishing, it's got great fishing attributes as well. Look at the bow for the family. That is seating. High freeboard, hand grips everywhere, cup holders, wonderful. Wonderful lounge seat here, opens up really nicely, terrific storage. And on the stern of the boat, full bench seat plus a side bench. Don't forget that grill right here, very nice. Of course, you have a fridge. Works very well. And that all-important Yeti slide-out cooler right there. Wonderful helm station. Oftentimes it's hard to fit people with different sizes, but this is great. You've got nice visibility when you're sitting down, no blockage. Flip-up bolster when you want to stand. Again, no blockage. I'm above the windshield. It is absolutely a perfect boat for the family. Come on down, check it out. Naples Sea Fox Boats. We're the New Collier County dealer, and you can also find us at sandyhookyachts.com. Thank you.